Time is the only asset you cannot buy back. While you are watching this, your money is either dying or it is multiplying. Most people wait for the perfect moment to start building wealth, but in finance, waiting is expensive. Welcome to episode 1 of the Entrepreneur's Earning Catalog. Today, we fix your mindset. Here is the brutal truth. Doing nothing costs you money. If you keep $10,000 under your mattress, inflation eats it alive. That yen, dollar, or rupee loses purchasing power every single second. On the left, you see idle cash. It breaks under the pressure of the market. On the right, you see invested capital. It grows roots. It fights inflation. You must choose today. Do you want your money to rot, or do you want it to grow? To build true wealth, you need to understand the 3 pillars of income. First, active income. This is your 9 to 5. You trade time for money. If you stop working, you starve. Second, passive income. This is the holy grail. You do the work once, like writing code or building a template, and it pays you forever. Third, portfolio income. This is when your money makes money. Stocks, dividends, real estate. Your goal in this series is to move from the first pillar to the third. This is the shift that separates the broke from the wealthy. The consumer mindset buys liabilities. You buy the new iPhone, the shoes, the subscriptions. You lose value. The producer mindset builds the things people buy. Instead of buying the app, code the app. Instead of watching YouTube, create the video. Wealthy people produce what others consume. Which side of the arrow are you on? I hear it every day. I don't have enough money yet, or I'm too young, or the market is bad. Listen to me. The perfect time is a myth designed to keep you poor. You do not need to be great to start, but you must start to be great. Small, imperfect actions taken today will always outperform a perfect plan you never execute. Stop doubting, start walking. Einstein called this the 8th wonder of the world, compound interest. Look at this curve. In the early years, year 1, year 5, it looks flat. It feels like nothing is happening. But if you stay consistent, look at year 20, the curve goes vertical. Every day you wait to start investing or building your business is a day of compound growth you can never get back. You are stealing from your future self. Let's talk about the $5 coffee. It's not just $5, it's the opportunity cost. If you invested that $5 into an index fund or your own business, in 10 years, it could be $50 or $500. Every time you spend money on junk, you are killing a money seed that could have grown into a forest. Start thinking about every rupee as an employee. Give it a job to do. We're going on a journey together. This is the roadmap. We're covering stocks, index funds, ETFs, digital products, and negotiation. We're starting at step 1, but we're going all the way to the mountaintop. This isn't a motivational speech. This is a curriculum. Here's your assignment for today. 1. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. 2. Treat your time like gold. 3. Stop consuming and start producing. If you can commit to these 3 shifts, you are ready for what comes next. In the next episode, we answer the big question: what is a stock? We're breaking down ownership and equity. Subscribe to Script Data Insights. Join the tech team. Let's build your empire. Class dismissed.